Hey guys, all cars and bikes here, and I am so happy that I finally got to do this. I'm holding the key to a very beautiful car, and it's the Hyundai I30N Performance Blue Ultimate Hot Hatch. Oh, Jesus Christ! What more is there to want from a car? Quite literally, these are my first impressions of driving the car. I've done 80 kilometers on the highway without anything else. I didn't even try to do a launch control or anything. So this video is going to be my first impressions of the car. Don't expect a detailed review or anything about how the car works or the infotainment and stuff. We're going to do that in the detailed review that we're going to do as another video coming after this one. So, well, there's nothing really much to this car. As I said, it's the Hyundai I30N, and I'm very, very excited to finally drive this thing. It's got the Pirelli 19-inch tires. It just looks so good with the black details. This is so perfect. And I have to say one great thank you to Redline Drive.
Pro mé sledující jsme si připravili spolupráci s Redline Drive a nabízíme vám 5% slevu na půjčení vozu na 24 nebo 48 hodin. Při vyplňování formuláře zadejte kód KS05. Platí to na abo vozy, jak Hyundai, tak Bavoráka. Vyberte si svůj termín i vy. In cooperation with Redline Drive, we prepared a 5% discount when renting a car through their website for 24 or 48 hours. It works for both cars, Hyundai and BMW M2. Put it in the reservation form and get ready for a real drive.
These guys who have let me drive this car for the review. Of course, it's paid and everything from my side, so I did give them money. It is not for free because I do support businesses and people that are trying to make it work in the automotive world. So let's get right into it. I literally can't wait to actually have some fun with the car. As you can see, full LED lights in the front. Let's get right into it. Let's sit inside. I'm going to put the key in my pocket because I don't need it in my hand. Yeah. I'm shocked. I'm quite literally in shock, and I cannot even speak properly of how this is going. Seatbelt on because safety first. Put it in. And now, as I said, we're not going to talk about anything. We're going to try and drive this car, simply talk about my first impressions of driving this car. So only testing the driving modes, and probably even not going to talk much and just going to drive the hell out of this car as it's meant to be driven. So also, we're still on main roads and B roads, so there's going to be cars around us. Of course, these are paid actors, so we're not endangering anyone, but it's all of this is conducted by professionals, so don't replicate it on your home roads. If you want to start a car, you have to press this engine start here once, then twice for the system check, for the ignition to turn on. After the system check is conducted, press the brake and the button yet again. Oh my lord. And that sound, wait, before we go, let me do this again. This is the car in normal mode, and none of this sound is replicated by any speaker in here. So what you hear is simply from the exhaust. What the people from Redline Drive has set is the N mode here with the custom press. So 1 and 2 for sport, everything pretty much, sport plus exhaust sound. And the note changed a bit, as you can hear from the from the revving of the engine, that the exhaust is giving us some rasp sounds, and it's just so crisp. So we're going to keep it in the N custom mode, in the sport one, and yeah, let's do this. What I do like about this car is the fact that it has a normal handbrake, and if you are able to do so, you can slide around like an absolute hooligan. I'm going to put it right into manual mode because these paddle shifters are probably the best thing I've ever shifted with so far. And there's nothing coming there, nothing behind us, nothing in front of us. So simply, let's just go. And this car is amazing. I mean, if you put it into normal mode, as I'm going to do actually for these roads, the car just goes absolutely soft. It's so nice to drive even on these roads. I mean, it's still a sports car. Well, not a sports car, it's a hot hatch, but pretty much the ultimate hot hatch, really. For the money you get, for the money you have to pay, you get so much in the car. So much. The normal mode doesn't sound as aggressive or doesn't accelerate as aggressively as the sport mode does, but we're going to switch into sport mode in just a few minutes here. But not yet, not yet. It has been kind of a dream to drive an i30N or any N car really, and that dream has finally came true. So again, these are the guys, Redline Drive, that have given me the chance to drive the i30N and to review it for them, and hopefully in the future we can make more content together with Redline, because they do not only have an i30N, they also have an M2 competition BMW. If anyone is interested in renting a car from them, definitely give Mr. Prochaska, the owner of Redline Drive, a call and book your reservation for a car like the i30N or the BMW M2 competition, because these cars are absolutely awesome. Absolutely no problems at all. The handover was very nice and friendly, and the people doing this are absolutely in love with cars. So the cars look the way they should be looking and work the way they should be working. This i30N is brand new. It has not even 11,000 kilometers on the odometer, so this car is practically brand new. But that doesn't stop us from driving it the way it should be driven, given the N Nürburgring name it has. It should be driven like it is on the Nürburgring. Oh, just the rasps from the exhaust. Sounds so good. And the pops, it really pops. And that's not a speaker, that's from the exhaust. There's no speaker in here, so everything you hear is directly from the exhaust system, which by the way is completely stock and there's nothing done to it. So Hyundai really mastered the art of exhaust systems and of sound of cars. Hyundai, I have to give it to you. You've done an awesome job here. Yay! I don't know if you can tell, I think you can, but I am absolutely excited to drive this car. And the times that I have said I have to get this car, after driving it, even on the highway, just for 80 kilometers. Wait, I've done 106 kilometers so far. Consumption is 9 liters approximately, but you don't drive this car for the consumption, you drive it for the fun of it. So definitely, if you want to get a ultimate hot hatch, do go for the i30N. It's such a great car. Let me roll down the window for a bit. Switch into second. Oh my lord, again? That's so amazing. Really, really good. And even when you go through the gears, the DCT kind of farts, you know, those sounds that go straight into another gear without any problem. Oh, and I love that. Oh my god. Just for you guys, I'm going to do a launch control here. Oh my fucking god. Jesus Christ! What was that? That was absolutely amazing. Absolutely awesome. Oh boy. One last try, because I can't seem to be getting this right. Okay. 6.2 seconds. First try. Not bad at all, actually. It's very good. 6.2 seconds. Now, I'm going to shut up, finally, and enjoy how the car drives on back roads that you know, and I know. It handles like an absolute go-kart. My experience with this car, or with a car like this is very limited. But thanks to all the simulator driving that I have been doing lately, I feel at the one with the car, and I just feel very, very, very good in the car. And well, some last pops for you before you'll have to wait for a detailed review of this car. Collision warning, okay, that's pretty nice, but wasn't even close, or at least wasn't close for me. The car probably made it look much worse than it was. As you can see, the radius isn't that good. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching this first video, and stay tuned because the review, the detailed one, is coming very soon. So stay tuned, keep watching, and see you in a few days. Goodbye.